to another digital homework video from Teacher Jamie, and this is for high school studying physics. So we're going to be talking about something called total internal reflection. We use total internal reflection to get the fibre optic internet into your home or school or anywhere else. We need to send optical signals through a glass fibre. So how do we do that? Well, we use refraction and something called total internal reflection, which means the light stays inside the fibre. Okay, so right now we have our incident ray coming in here, and then we have our refracted ray coming out the other side of my little block here. Now, watch what happens if I change this angle. If I move this round like this, you can see that the refracted ray gets slowly closer and closer and closer to the edge of the block. When I get to adjust the right angle, which is difficult, when it comes right along the edge of the block, we can call that the critical angle. But if you look what happened now, most of the light is coming back. It's being reflected from the edge of the block. And if I move it around even further, you can now see that nearly all the light is coming through the block. This is called total internal reflection. Okay, so here we have our angle of incidence and we have our angle of refraction. Our angle of refraction is always bigger than our angle of incidence. So if I increase this angle here, the angle of refraction is also bigger and the exiting ray is closer to the edge of the block. When we get to a certain angle, the exiting ray is going right along the edge of the block, and we call this the critical angle. And then once we get after the critical angle, all of the light ray is reflected inside the block, and we call this total internal reflection. And that is how you get your internet into your house. Okay, that's all for this one. Bye-bye.